Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply Apple layout on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar right away. Then type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to continue, you need to select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. And then swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Now click on Home button and go into Settings right away. In Settings, you need to click on Apps section and tap on Manage Apps. Then select those three dots at the top right corner, click on Default Apps, and finally select Launcher. In order to apply iOS 1, click on it, tap on Home button, and choose Got It in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Xiaomi. If you wish to, you can always switch between those layouts by going into exactly the same settings and tapping on POCO Launcher or iOS 1. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!